Do you often feel exhausted no matter how much rest you get? Today, we're going to explore the real reason behind your never-ending fatigue and what you can do to fix it. Fatigue is a common issue that affects many people, but it can be frustrating when you can't pinpoint the cause. One of the most common reasons for chronic fatigue is poor sleep quality. You might be spending enough hours in bed, but if your sleep is frequently interrupted or not restful, it can leave you feeling tired throughout the day. Factors like stress, anxiety, or even an uncomfortable mattress can disrupt your sleep. Establishing a regular sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and making your sleeping environment more comfortable can greatly improve your sleep quality. Another major cause of fatigue is poor diet. What you eat has a significant impact on your energy levels. Consuming too much sugar and refined carbs can lead to blood sugar spikes and crashes, leaving you feeling drained. Instead, focus on a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods provide sustained energy and essential nutrients that support overall health. Dehydration is another often overlooked cause of fatigue. Even mild dehydration can affect your energy levels and mood. Make sure you're drinking enough water throughout the day. A good rule of thumb is to drink at least 8 glasses of water daily, more if you're physically active or live in a hot climate. Lack of physical activity can also contribute to feeling fatigue. It might seem counterintuitive, but regular exercise can actually boost your energy levels. Exercise increases endorphins and helps improve the efficiency of your cardiovascular system, making daily activities less tiring. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week, whether it's walking, cycling, or yoga. Another common cause of chronic fatigue is stress. Ongoing stress can take a significant toll on your body and mind, leading to persistent tiredness. Finding ways to manage stress is crucial for improving your energy levels. Techniques such as mindfulness meditation, deep breathing exercises, and spending time in nature can help reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. Vitamin and mineral deficiencies can also lead to fatigue. For example, low levels of iron, vitamin D, and B vitamins are often linked to feelings of tiredness. A simple blood test can determine if you're deficient in any of these nutrients. If you are, adjusting your diet or taking supplements can help restore your energy levels. Foods rich in these nutrients include leafy greens, nuts, seeds, lean meats, and dairy products. Medical conditions such as thyroid disorders, diabetes, and chronic fatigue syndrome can also cause persistent tiredness. If you've made lifestyle changes and still feel fatigued, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider. They can run tests to identify any underlying health issues and recommend appropriate treatments. Mental health conditions like depression and anxiety are also common culprits of fatigue. These conditions can disrupt sleep, decrease motivation, and sap your energy. Seeking help from a mental health professional can provide you with strategies to manage these conditions and improve your energy levels. Inadequate exposure to natural light can also affect your energy. Sunlight helps regulate your circadian rhythm, which influences your sleep-wake cycle. Spending time outdoors during the day, especially in the morning, can help improve your sleep quality and energy levels. If getting outside isn't possible, consider using a light therapy box to mimic natural light. Another factor that can contribute to fatigue is the overconsumption of caffeine. While caffeine can give you a temporary energy boost, relying on it too much can interfere with your sleep and lead to a cycle of fatigue. Try to limit your caffeine intake to earlier in the day and avoid it in the hours leading up to bedtime. Finally, social isolation can impact your energy and mood. Humans are social creatures, and maintaining strong social connections is important for your overall well-being. Make an effort to stay connected with friends and family, whether it's through regular phone calls, video chats, or in-person visits. Engaging in social activities can boost your mood and energy levels. Now, let us explore some often overlooked causes and additional tips to help you regain your energy. One surprising cause of fatigue can be poor air quality. Breathing in pollutants and allergens can strain your respiratory system, leading to feelings of tiredness. Ensuring good ventilation in your home and using air purifiers can help reduce indoor pollution. Adding indoor plants can also improve air quality and create a more refreshing environment. Hormonal imbalances are another factor that can drain your energy. Conditions like adrenal fatigue or hormonal shifts during menopause can significantly impact how you feel. If you suspect hormonal issues, a healthcare provider can run tests and suggest treatments or lifestyle adjustments to help balance your hormones and restore your vitality. Chronic inflammation in the body can also be a silent energy zapper. Inflammation can be caused by various factors, including poor diet, lack of exercise, and chronic stress. Anti-inflammatory foods, such as fatty fish, nuts, and leafy greens, can help combat this. Incorporating these foods into your diet can reduce inflammation and boost your energy levels. Another often overlooked aspect is your emotional well-being. Carrying emotional burdens or unresolved conflicts can be mentally exhausting and physically draining. Practices like journaling, talking to a trusted friend, or seeking professional counseling can help you process these emotions and lighten your mental load. Sometimes, the layout and organization of your living space can impact your energy. A cluttered, disorganized environment can make you feel overwhelmed and tired. Taking time to declutter and organize your space can create a more peaceful atmosphere, reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Consider incorporating adaptogenic herbs into your routine. Adaptogens like ashwagandha, rhodiola, and holy basil can help your body adapt to stress and improve your overall energy levels. These herbs have been used for centuries in traditional medicine and can be a natural way to combat fatigue. Always consult with a healthcare provider before adding new supplements to your routine. A lack of exposure to nature can also contribute to feelings of fatigue. Spending time outdoors, even if it's just a short walk in the park, can have a rejuvenating effect. Nature helps reduce stress and can significantly improve your mood and energy levels. Try to spend at least a few minutes outside each day to soak in the natural light and fresh air. Another key factor is your digestive health. A healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being and energy. Probiotics, found in foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables, can help maintain a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Prebiotics, found in foods like garlic, onions, and bananas, feed these beneficial bacteria. Including both in your diet can improve digestion and boost your energy levels. Mindfulness and meditation can also play a significant role in combating fatigue. Regular meditation practice can help reduce stress, improve focus, and increase your sense of well-being. Even just a few minutes of mindfulness or meditation each day can make a noticeable difference in how you feel. If you often find yourself feeling sluggish in the afternoon, it might be due to your body's natural circadian rhythms. Instead of reaching for a sugary snack or caffeine, try taking a short nap. A 10 to 20-minute power nap can refresh you without interfering with your nighttime sleep. Alternatively, a brief walk or some light stretching can also help re-energize you. Another potential issue could be the medications you're taking. Some medications have side effects that include fatigue. If you suspect your medication might be the cause, talk to your doctor. They might be able to adjust your dosage or prescribe an alternative that doesn't make you as tired. Sometimes, fatigue can be linked to more serious health conditions like sleep apnea, anemia, or chronic fatigue syndrome. If you've tried making lifestyle changes and still feel excessively tired, it's important to seek medical advice. Early diagnosis and treatment of these conditions can significantly improve your quality of life. Being mindful of your mental workload is also essential. Overcommitting yourself and not allowing enough time for rest and relaxation can lead to burnout. Learning to say no and setting healthy boundaries is crucial for maintaining your energy and well-being. Incorporating more omega-3 fatty acids into your diet can also help. Foods like salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to improve brain function and energy levels. These healthy fats support overall cell function and can help you feel more alert and focused. Regularly practicing gratitude can also have a positive impact on your energy levels. Taking a few moments each day to reflect on what you're grateful for can shift your mindset and reduce feelings of fatigue. It's a simple practice that can make a big difference in your overall outlook and energy. Finally, ensuring you have a balanced life with a good mix of work, play, and rest is key. Engaging in hobbies and activities that you enjoy can energize you and provide a mental break from daily stresses. Whether it's reading, gardening, or painting, finding time for activities you love can rejuvenate your spirit. By addressing these various aspects of your life, you can tackle the underlying causes of fatigue and start feeling more energized and vibrant. Remember, it's about finding the right balance and making small, consistent changes that lead to lasting improvements in your energy levels and overall health. If you found these tips helpful, please subscribe to Natural Healing Guide's YouTube channel, hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content, and leave a comment below to share your thoughts or ask any questions.